my channel. Today, we will be discussing the price of Bitcoin in the next bull run. Let's talk. The crypto markets, as well as other financial markets, follow a pattern of market psychology and the associated emotions. This can roughly be used to determine when to buy, sell, and possibly rebuy. Here you will see the psychology and emotions associated with a market cycle. I will briefly explain these and also show how they follow Bitcoin price cycles. From this you can figure out roughly where the price is going and the best times to buy and sell. Optimism, the beginning of a cycle. Prices have been rising for a while. The market looks positive and people dare to invest. Belief, the price continues to rise and investors look for opportunities to invest more. Thrill, sensation, investors have great confidence in their investment and are happy with the results achieved. This is also the phase when everyone says you should buy. Euphoria, in this phase, everyone feels like a genius and believes that the price will continue to rise. This is where the last doubters are persuaded to invest. In Bitcoin's cycle, this was around $20,000 or Euro 17,000. A bad time to buy turned out afterwards. Anxiety, the price goes down harder than expected and there are feelings of nervousness. The investment becomes worth less and less. Denial, prices keep going down and anxiety turns to denial. My investment was made with a good company and cryptocurrency, the price will go back up. Smart investors have already gotten out or converted their investment to a safer asset. Denial causes inexperienced investors to keep their investments. Panic, everyone is selling, I have to sell too in order not to lose everything. This often unfortunately happens to inexperienced investors who have bought at the top and lose a lot of money as a result. In certain cases, it is then better to hold on to the investment. If it is a company or cryptocurrency with good fundamentals, then it often does go back up. This can be seen in the 2008 crisis. If stocks had been retained and not sold at a loss, prices would be even higher today. For example, with the S&P 500 stock market. Anger, why did this happen? Why didn't I sell sooner? What were the signs that this would happen? I will devote an article to this in the future. Depression, at this stage depression strikes. People have lost a lot of money because they sold at the top and would prefer to have nothing more to do with it. Some even lose all their savings. Never invest more than you dare to lose. Disbelief, in this phase, the worst is behind us and prices slowly rise again from the trough. This phase turns back into hope and the new cycle begins. As you can see, the cycle and price depends on human psychology, among other things. So that you can use that knowledge when buying part of a Bitcoin, buy Bitcoins. The best thing, of course, is to sell at the top and buy at the bottom. These peaks and troughs are just hard to predict. Therefore, it is useful to keep a close eye on where we are in the cycle based on the shape of the price chart. For example, a measure of thrill euphoria is when the media keeps reporting on the ever-rising price. A measure of anger and depression is when almost no one, including the media, is talking about it anymore. If your strategy for investing is hold, then you really shouldn't look too much at the price. Smart money versus stupid money. Here I can be brief. Smart money, or investors who have been around a bit longer, turn off their emotion and have a strategy they stick to. Above all, they also have a lot of patience. They try to sell at the top and patiently wait for the stages where emotional investors, dumb money, sell in the downward price movement. They know they have to buy back in the anger and depression phases. This is then often called the accumulation phase. Now let's look at the price action of Bitcoin. In this I will explain what my price expectation is for Bitcoin coming bull run. Here you can see the price of Bitcoin on the daily chart. We are using the chart of Bitstamp. Here I draw a trend line which should represent break of structure. Here you can see that the downtrend has been broken and has now become an uptrend. After we broke this level, we rose 111%. After this rise, we dropped again after the demand zone where the smart money is taking its positions again. Then the real bull run started and we rose 1,300%. What we just looked at you can compare to what we are seeing now in the Bitcoin price. So as you can see in the graph, you can see that we also have a break of structure from the downtrend and we are switching to an uptrend. My expectation is that we will go to the 32K and from there drop again to the 16K approximately. Here the smart money will then re-enter and the next bull run will be made. If we copy the bull run in percent and paste it to the expected price action, Bitcoin will come in at a price of $250,000 with the next bull run. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions about investing in the cryptocurrency market. Thanks for watching.